Welcome to my YouTube channel. Boneless chicken. Cut chicken into strips. Vegetables: carrots, green onion, capsicum. Turn on flame, take pan. Add oil. Add chicken strips. One egg. Add some black pepper and salt. Ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Mix well. Green chili. Add vegetables. Add more oil if needed. Add fry egg and chicken. Spray some black pepper, red chili flakes, chili sauce. Vinegar, soy sauce. Mix well. Dry vegetables, water. One tablespoon of pink salt, 2 cups of boiled rice. Add all this in rice. Mix well. Ready. Enjoy chicken fried rice. Kindly like, subscribe my channel and share with the others too. Bye.